brief you on everything when you get back.
It's gonna blow up in his face. And I'm gonna be there when it does.
And then he'll wake just long enough to see his good work. And when he screams, I'll split his skull.
You're supposed to be locating the Tesseract.
We are. The model's locked, and we're sweeping for the signature now. When we hit a hit, we'll have the location within half a mile.
When they come, and they will, they'll come for you.
When my crown is reunited with the eternal flame, I shall be restored to my full might.
You grow back body parts now, Wade. When I'm finished, parts will have to grow back here.
Good one.
First thing I'm gonna do when I get out of here, burn that headmaster alive.
There's a reason why I'm here, and I'll know when I know. Everything usually just kind of works out for me.
Cable's gonna kill you when he finds out.
My vote will conclude these proceedings when they return.
Just don't freeze when you see her.
Don't you worry, when I get back to Joburg, and I'll lay low for a bit, I'll make sure both you guys get paid.
Cassandra is gonna be giddy when she sees what we caught.
If they can fix your world, what's the first thing you're gonna do when you get out of here? So when you get back, what's the first thing you're gonna do?
This is matter and antimatter. They do not play nicely with each other. When they mix in your body, you will be atomized.
It's all of it.
Yes. So when it comes time for another king, we will be ready.
The Black Panther lives, and when he fights for the fate of Wakanda, I will be right there beside him.
You'll know when we're close.
I can drill into it, Lex.
Need more than you when we enter.
Not sure where we're gonna land when the world is gone.
We're to put this on our backs, and when I say go, lift hard.
Yeah, it won't look suspicious at all when I come sauntering out of the woods on.
Have a great trip.
Thanks, sweetie. I'll call you when I get there.
I love you.
And call me when you get back, darling. I enjoy our visits.
Just like a movie, the robot will emerge dramatically. And just when all hope is lost, Syndrome will save the day! And when I'm old and I've had my fun, I'll sell my inventions so that everyone can be superheroes. Everyone can be super. And when everyone's super, no one will be.
Bring lasting peace. I will when you defeat evil.
Someday, when you're in charge of the whole Jade Palace, I can sell noodles in the lobby.
Pretty soon, the dentist will have to clean the tank himself. And when he does, he'll take us out of the tank, put us in the individual baggies.
But dude, how do you know when they're ready?
Well, you never really know, but when they know, you'll know, you know?
What are we gonna do when that little brat gets here?
Can't wait to see the look on Marty's face when he sees this.
When the moment is right, we will ignite the beacon of liberty and be rescued from this awful nightmare.
When the New York Giants wake up, we will make sure that they wake up in paradise.
My boy, this goofy little stinker, he loves all things elephant, wants to be one when he grows up.
You want to be an elephant when you grow up? You be an elephant.
Yeah, I'll buzz you when it's done, or you'll see it on the news.
I need you by my side. When we get to Arrakis, we'll face enormous danger.
When we have enough water, Elisa Al-Gaib will change the face of Arrakis.
Shield will only open when it fires.
I know that.
There are millions of fundamentalists there. They will protect him when he comes.
So war is coming. What will you do when you feel its breath upon your neck?
When the storm hits this ridge, Gurney will open the way for you, Stilgar.
What are you gonna do with that when you kill it?
You go out there, and you win this thing. And when you get home, she'll have to go out with you.
We'll toast when it's done.
We don't want to be anywhere in the vicinity when this hits.
If and when Peeta is liberated, he will receive a full and unconditional pardon.
Tell Finnick, got a trident for him when he's ready.
Your mom's gonna be proud of you when she sees the footage.
Prepare to extract Peter. We'll confirm when he's in hand.
She'll be there when he wakes up.
When we win this war, we'll fly you in for the surrender. We'll plan an election when the time is right.
And when the time is right, Commander Paler will pardon you.
When we go out, we're going to buy you 2 new presents.
When I call your name, you will come forth.
When I blow my whistle, I want each of you to kick off from the ground hard.
Petunia, when the Masons arrive, you will be...
In the lounge, waiting to welcome them graciously to our home.
You'll still have your potions, Master, when I'm through with him.
She should be out of hospital in a few days, when she stops coughing up furballs. I hope he finds me, because when he does, I'm gonna be ready. When he does, I'm gonna kill him.
Because he wants to be with me when it happens. Tonight when we get back to the common room,
We'll both have partners.
When the connection is broken, you must get to the port key.
Don't worry, Harry. We'll explain everything when we get back to headquarters.
Remember, during the hearing, speak only when you're spoken to.
Students will raise their hands when they speak in my class.
When all this is over, we'll be a proper family.
It's company he'll be needing when I'm gone.
He'll give it his best effort when it matters most. He'll just slither back into his hole.
Don't think badly of me when you say it.
When you meet your match, you will be mortal once more.
When things seem most dark, it will show him the light.
Now, I'll have to speak to it in order for it to open. When it does, don't hesitate.
Your boyfriend will get much worse than that if he doesn't learn to behave himself.
But take this. That way you can find me when you get back.
When the boy comes, it will not fail you, I'm sure.
The Dark Lord will return. And when he does, the boy will be in terrible danger.
So when the time comes, the boy must die.
Maybe while I'm at school, I'll see a shark.
While I'm under, I needed to protect my body in case they attack me for trespassing.
And then I'll destroy their stuff while they're chasing us.
Now, while you're here, your house will be like your family.
Everyone's to keep their feet firmly on the ground while I take Mr. Longbottom to the hospital wing.
We also need to make sure that the real Crabbe and Goyle can't burst in on us while we're interrogating Malfoy.
When someone will need to feed Fang while I'm away.